Hello, this is Joby Goerges with Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today we'll be showing you how to tear down a Desert Eagle. Step 1. Make sure the firearm is unloaded. Step 2. Remove the magazine. Step 3. Pull the hammer slightly to the rear until a click is heard. The hammer is now in the semi-cocked position. Step 4. Move the safety lever down into its safe position. Step 5. Press the barrel lock pin in on the left side of the pistol and at the same time swing the barrel lock on the right side of the pistol counterclockwise. Step 6. Pull the barrel slightly forward to align the lugs with the relief cuts in the frame. This will allow the barrel to be lifted off the frame. Step 7. The recoil spring assembly will disengage and slide out once the barrel is removed. Step 8. The piston, which is retained by the recoil spring assembly, can now be removed. This has been Magnum Research Fieldcraft. If you would like more information on the Desert Eagle or other Magnum Research products, please visit us at magnumresearch.com.